Tayo yung nag-ready. Actually, tapos na guys. Ginanito ko lang yung bangs ko. So, today is Thursday. Today is our last day to gala. Last day to have lunch here. Naka-lunch na kami. So, ayun. Gagala na naman kami. Punta tayo SM, guys. I have to meet some friends there later. So, yeah. Yung BFF ko nung elementary. Magkikita kami mamaya. And then, there's another friend na yeah, i-meet up ko later. Pero I'm not sure kung anong oras kasi may mga errands pa siyang gagawin. Anyway, you'll see them later sa vlog. So, yeah. Si Mia nasa baba. Hindi ko pa nagagawa yung buhok niya. Kasi gusto niya mag-play dun. So, dadalhin ko na lang yung kanyang hair ties and everything. Para dun ko na lang gawin sa baba. Nakakain na din yun. Nagkumain siya ng spaghetti. Binid siya ni Papa. Basta nasa bakasyon. Kasi ano siya talaga. Inuuna niya yung play kaysa sa kain. Anyway, ayun. Let's go to the mall. Pinakarwash na nga ni Papa yung car kasi i-store niya na dun sa land namin mamayang gabi kasi bukas maaga pa yung flight namin guys to Manila. So, yeah. I also did some packing last night. So, konti na lang yung ipapack ko mamaya. Ilalagay ko na lang sila sa luggage. At kaninang umaga, oh my gosh, ang sakit ng ulo ko. Hindi ako makatayo pag tumatayo ako or pag umuupo. Parang ang sakit-sakit. Yung parang hindi mo kaya bumangon. Pero nakabangon din naman ako. And then kumain. And then I feel better na. So, yeah, siguro sa init lang. Kaya ang init pa din sa labas. Mainit pa sa labas. Konti. Walang sun masyado. Parang gloomy. Pero, syempre, mainit pa din yan. Basta sa Pilipinas. Anyway, let's go see Mia and do her hair downstairs. Naglaro siya sa pinsan niya, guys.
1, 2,
Where are they, Dadilo? Find them! Where's Mia?
Where are you?
Save Mia, save!
I'm sorry.
Kaon na, Col? Are we going, Mia? Where are we going? To SM. Where are we going? To SM Mall. Again? Where are we going? Last gala sa SM. May mga titingnan ako. Bibili ako ng... di ba makadto ka mo to sa Polo?
Ha?
Makadto ka mo to sa Polo?
May polo, bantay nga pang babae eh.
Okag.
Pang babae.
Okag.
Nakita mo?
Mm.
Nantaw mo ko tubi ka ron.
Oo. Na-try ko na sa to pero iba ang...
You okay?
Iba. Iba ako na-try. Ang buta? May retinol glota, gani oh. Ayaw niya lang maglakad. Mabuti na lang may cart sila. Dito na tayo SM. Oh, try. Oh, be careful. Oh, wow. You wanna bring that to Vietnam too? Oh my goodness. Oh, parang buwang. Come here, come here, come here. You're just trying it out. Come here. Want pony? Ah, you can't get that pony. My goodness, that's so big. Oh, you like that bag? The color? You like the color? Dala niya na guys, oh. Oh, dali. Come on, move. What happened? Something beat you? Oh. There, doon ka sa dress niya. Oh, diba? Wait, Mia! Pila lang tayo sa counter. Guys, ito yung mga nabili ko. Ibibigay ko dun sa friend ko later. Sa baby niya, guys. Ayan. And then, this one. Ito yung bibili natin for Mia. And si Hana, nakita ko kanina, pupunta kami ng Kidzona after this. Kasi alas 3 yung sabi ko. Mag-alas 3 na. Nakita ko siya, sabi niya, bibili siya ng bag for Mia. Tapos ayun, nagkita kami sa may bag. And siya yung bumili ng lunch bag. Kakaloka. Gift niya daw kay Mia. Later, baby. So, we saw Tita Hana. So, you're gonna play with, Gia at Kidzona? Yeah? Remember Tita Hana before? Yeah? Ano na si Mia, oh.
Sparkling bright sky, the sun is so bright.
Lala Chan! Say hi kay Lala Chan, kids! Lala Chan is a 5-year-old pink squirrel. She's very lovely and very bubbly. Say hi to Lala Chan! Hi! Hi, kids from Toy Corner area, Marine area, and Wonderful area. Hi! Pinay-invite kita mo tayo ni Lala Chan. Join us, kids! Oh, let's play and dance with Lala Chan! Okay, makawat na ko 15 seconds. Gusto ni Lala Chan? Ari na galitan na.
Hello, my friend.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Very good. Okay, talagang sagwa sa middle area. Thank you. Okay. Hi, kids. Say hi. 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 Are you excited to play and dance with Lala Chan? Yes. Excited ba si Lala Chan? Pero before that, may introduce kami sa amin. So, hi, I'm Ate Ana. I am your host for today. With me is Ate Je and Ate Mimi. Say hi! Hi! And please welcome our special guest from Japan. She's a 5-year-old pink squirrel. She's very lovely and very bubbly. Lala Chan! Say hi! Clap your hands kay Lala Chan. Clap your hands. Wow! Thank you po naman ni Lala Chan. Okay, may mga po si Lala Chan. Haba ni Lala Chan. Excited na ang kids? Are you excited? Yes! Okay, sino mo nakabalo mag-dance? How to dance? Wow! Itutuan kita ni Lala Chan ko how to dance ang iya warm-up dance, okay? Okay, first step, Lala Chan. Wash your head. Wash your shoulders. Where's your head? Shoulder. Okay, yay. Okay, and then second step, touch your tummy. Where's your tummy? Okay, and your bum bum. Okay, and then third, sway up, sway down, sway up, sway down. Okay, ready na kids? Are you ready? Yes. Are you ready? Yes. Okay. Music, please. Come here, come here. Come here. Okay. Mas stretch na lang sa ating mga bones. Sa'yo, stretch na ating mga bones para may energy kita. Yeah. Okay, group ba mo ni Ate Mimi kag ni Ate J? It's 2 groups. Team A and Team B. Ang Team A kay Ate Mimi. Ang Team B kay Ate J. Okay, arms forward. Follow niyo si Lala Chan. Arms forward. Gia! Hello! Faster! Faster!
hijabon kay Lala Chan. Ay, talaga ka tinalaban. Come here na, come here. Come here. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Very good. Release the beer. Ready na sa surprise? Ready? Are you ready? Yes. Lala Chan, are you ready? Yes. Okay. Close your eyes. Cover your eyes. Cover. Cover. Close your eyes. Yes. Close your eyes. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Surprise! Yay! Okay. Okay, sit down na, sit down, kids, sit down. Sit down. Sit down, kids, sit down. Okay, sit down natin. In 3, 2, 1, Kitsuna! Hooray! Yay! Parents and guardians, take this opportunity to take photos of your kid with event team and Lala Chan.
Bye! She wants a hug and a kiss. Oh my God! Bye-bye! Bring your balloon! Oh, hold your balloon! Ayaw niya. May balloon na siya to. O, dali na. Come on. Vlog. Hari na siya. Andun si Gian, dito si Mia. O, diba? Separate sila, ya. Oo, may hangin.
Strong independent
Andyan lang siya. Ito yung paborito niyang, side. Swing talaga. Wanna see? Say thank you, tita. See? What is that? Bye-bye. Oh, Elsa. Wow. Elsa bag. That's it. That's it. Say thank you to tita. Go to tita. Say thank you. And kiss tita. And hug. Hug and kiss tita. Go.
Okay, let's take a picture.
Okay, go inside first. Dali. bala niyo. Manami, oh. Sige, isa na lang sa...
And I think both of that's sour.
You want this?
I think that both of that's sour.
It's not sour. This one's not sour. That one's sour. This one not sour.
Sour.
She said you want dried mango. You have a lot. You still have the pizza left at home. We're going home now, so you get the one at home. Yeah, we're going home now. Pili-pili, pasaw. What do you want? You already have so many at home. Remember you bought the pizza yesterday? No, that's expensive. We don't have enough money.
No, mommy don't have enough money. There's another one. Cheaper one.
Ano daw?
Balik yaman. Just buy the cheaper
The
one.
cheap one. Which one is the cheap one? The small one and the cheap one. Which one? Huh?
That's expensive.
You don't need the toy. Dito tayo Jollibee. Nag-take out pa ako guys kasi maybe last time na natin ito. Joke. Si Bibi ka mabakal pa yung burger ha. Hindi yung pagkalimtan. Sa terminal. Oo. Tapos sa luggage na lang ni Mia ibutang. Charot. Tricycle tayo pa uwi guys kasi na-drop na ni Papa yung car sa garage. Maaga tayo bukas sa Okay, Mommy will go first sa airport. I'll go first because you're in the middle. Okay, up. Hello guys, we are home. Kanina pa. We ate our Jollibee already kasi gutoms. And si Mia nandyan. Mag-watch lang siya ng video and we are packing. Ayan. Sana magkasya lahat to. Nilagay ko yung mga susuotin namin from Manila tapos sa Singapore. Diyan sa ating hand carry kasi hand carry ko yan. And then, ito pa yung mga ipapak natin. Ang dami pa. Lahat yan guys. Sana magkasya. So, we will see. Yung iba dun ko siguro ilalagay kay Mama. Say good night people! Oh, we have to call Daddy. What time na ba? Hala, Daddy sleeping already. 4 hours sleep na lang kita. Dali na. Good night, people. Busy siya, guys. Ka-ready na siya yun. Susuotin niya tomorrow.